Hello everybody and welcome back to another Disney Pixar Cars Diecast showcase on the channel. Today I'll be taking a close look at and reviewing for you guys the next generation racer of View Zeen, being Michael Rotor. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the review. So this is his 2019 release from, of course, the Horizon Desert background, of course, but not the full Horizon Desert, just the half of it. There is other releases of him in a 2-pack, which I do have, and of course the single release of him from 2020 Blue Desert, but I don't have that one in the package, just the 2019 release in the box. So let's get into the review of the packaging. We can see the Disney Pixar Cars logo in the top right hand corner, as you can see. We can see the hook right there. He's part of the next generation line, as you can see, next gen Piston Cup racers. There's his artwork. If you want to screenshot it, you are free to do so. Let me just get a closer image for you guys. There you go. Of course, Michael Rotor name tag there, the diecast looking sick in its packaging. On the side, Mattel 3+. On the back, we can see a picture of Lightning McQueen and some other next gens, Danny Suarez, Cam Spinner and Chris Roman. Of course, there's the next gen logo symbol there. We can see next gen Piston Cup racers. Looks pretty cool. You can see a little prototype image of the China variant of Michael Rotor, I should say. This is the Thailand version though. So yeah, there he is. Now, of course, I'll take a close look at Michael Rotor himself. So yeah, here he is. I am going to add a picture into the middle of your screen now where he appeared, of course. Well, roughly where he appeared at the Florida 500 and other series or racetracks. Yeah, so here is the diecast. He's got a nice angry expression like all the next gen racers do. He's got fenders on both sides, headlights on the top. He's got that grill moustache thingy there too. On the hood, we can see a little yellow stripe, reminds you a little bit of RPM when it comes down and goes throughout the whole diecast. I also see it reads View Zeen VZ, looks pretty cool in those capital letters. The expression looks basic, of course, with the horizontal eyes, hazel eyes, I think I was supposed to say, but yeah. We can see blue eyelids too. On the roof, we can see a 39 in this yellow, with of course roof flaps and this little stripe coming down. There's his window bars, which are part of the body. View Zeen in blue and the yellow spoiler looks absolutely cool, and we can see some other decals there on the side as well. Lightyear rims, which is mandatory for all the Piston Cup races, no matter what series they are in. We can see some sponsors: Piston Cup, Combustor Cup and Summer Synergy, the 3 new sponsors, and of course Piston Cup. View Zeen VZ again, there's that 39, I love how they've done the 3 and a 9 with the yellow stripe. There's the arrow to indicate to the pitty, where to lift them up at pit stop. You can see 2 exhaust pipes here, of course, one on the left, one on the right. There's the fuel/gas cap where to refuel him. There's the Lightyear rims again. On the back, we can see rookie racing stripes because he is a rookie, like I have said. 39 View Zeen VZ in the middle, smack bang wallop right in the middle, and of course we can see rear lights there too. There is the base, made in the 5th week in 2019, I believe. So yeah, was one of the first ones to be released. There is other variations of Michael Rotor out there. We can see the XOS Rocket Racers one. The expression is slightly different. They have kept the paint job roughly the same. See those different rims. No longer a rookie, of course, for the XOS line that is. And of course that is the Vietnam base. Looks pretty cool. There is also another version of Michael Rotor that has just been revealed, or a few weeks ago being revealed. That is of course on the endurance races one. Almost forgot which version it was. There is also the tractor, which I did recently review. You know, check out that review or on all my tractors. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty accurate to the movie. You can see the 39 as well. The rookie racing stripes on the back. What is different though is this little 39 in the logo. It does look very different to the tractor though. That is something. And the base is blue for the tractor instead of black for the diecast. There is one more Michael Rotor variant out there, and that is of course the Mini Racers one. We'll take a quick 360 of this. Looks pretty cool. Made in Thailand, so diecast looks pretty much the same to, of course, the Mini. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you do think of Michael Rotor and the next gen View Zeen racer. Which is your favourite View Zeen racer? Of course, we got Ryan Shields, buck bearingly, and of course the metallic one, which was released in 2019, exclusive to the Blue Desert line. So yeah, you are new to the channel, please make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hit that bell notification down below. Of course, to the next one. Peace guys.